As one of Hollywood's most sought-after leading men, surprisingly my favorite go-to tester, Renata, who squeezed the life out of you.
No, it was great. She had great eggs. You have great eggs. Love the eggs.
No, she's still here. Renata, you're not leaving, are you? She's there.
I ain't going nowhere.
She's not going anywhere. All right, so Morris is here really to give all you the celebrity treatment, sharing his plan to sculpt your best body. But I gotta say, this is not for Hollywood hunks like you. It's for everybody.
It's for our program. The Cut is for everyone: men, women, young, old. Everyone can implement this program.
All right, and for the ladies, you all know that the famous abs that Morris has. That's pretty cool. But let me show you something. Even I am in love with you for that. However, not too long ago, you actually fell off the wagon a bit. You gained 30 pounds. So if any of you who think that everyone's always perfect, it's not always that well. There's before and there's afters.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us about the before.
Well, basically, I was filming a television show called Nurse Jackie here in New York, and it was really cold. And I literally would not walk out of my apartment to the gym next door, because I'm from California. And I was eating, and being in your 40s, it just creeps up on you, don't even realize it. The director called me to be in that movie, The Best Man. Told me he wanted me to get the V that the guys have down there and the six-pack back. And so I hooked up with my trainer, Obi Obadike, and we implemented everything that's in the Cut right now.
So I'm going to show everyone some photos.
Yes, yes.
I just picked a couple. You have so many before and afters. These are people who actually tried the Cut program. They're amazing.
Yes, see, we had these are real people, real stories, real life transformations. She lost about, I think, 28 pounds on the Cut. We also have a picture, that's Rose. Rose also lost close to 30 pounds on the Cut. We have another.
This guy, he's fantastic.
Yeah, he did a great job. We also have Mike Hopper, who's been through our program 3 separate times. He's lost 117 pounds. No, that's Tyrone, though. That's Tyrone. Tyrone lost 21 pounds, but Mike Hopper, he lost 117 pounds on the Cut.
So what makes the Cut different? I mean, these folks don't just lose weight. They have that V you're talking about.
Yeah, they do. They have the V. Well, what makes the Cut different is, it's not a restrictive diet. It's a diet that's tailored towards your body weight. It's not restrictive. We're not saying we don't want you to starve at night, like everyone just goes to sleep starving. We want you to eat your carbs, your fats, healthy fats, and you also are allowed some cheat meals, however you want to say it.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, yes.
So the foundation is the 80-20 rule.
The foundation is the 80-20. So what we have is 5 days a week, we want you to eat healthy. We allow 2 cheat meals on Saturdays, 2 cheat meals on Sunday. But the key is that it has to be the size of the palm of your hand. And not only are you eating healthy, but you're indulging in the things that most other programs don't allow you to eat.
And how does the Cut help you build that muscle? The part that I'm interested in particular.
Well, we talk about lean muscles. So most programs, what they do is they focus just on the food. But with our programs, we focus on the food and the exercise and the weightlifting.
Come on, let's get started with this plan. So I want you to first explain what specifically they're going to eat.
Okay, so this is something that I was eating when I was on mine. So you have your whey protein, your other lean proteins through food, your carbs, your healthy fats, your fish oil supplements, and your multivitamin. That's what I was eating.
So this is something we can all do, guys. This is understandable, especially if you get to look like Morris. I'm in on this. Walk us through a sample meal here for the day.
Yes, this is a sample meal throughout the day. So what I would have is before I work out, I would drink my protein shake. Then for breakfast after my workout, I would have my oatmeal, my banana, my eggs, and my 2 fish oil caplets.
All right.
And then now, lunchtime, I would have chicken breast, the beans, and the spinach and kale.
So lean protein, a little bit of healthy fat.
Yeah, lean protein, healthy fat.
You're a nut guy.
I'm a nut guy. Now,
I like this. I like
this. I love it. I love it. I love it. But let me say this, though. Because a lot of times people say, oh, I get to eat almonds or nuts, and then they go get the salted nuts that's saturated with fats. This is unsalted almonds. That's what we like, unsalted.
Can I change your life, my friend?
Sure.
Soak your nuts.
Soak my nuts.
And for dinner.
And for dinner, you have your steak, a little carne asada going on, then with some steamed broccally. And this is a very healthy, balanced meal throughout the day.
It looks fantastic and doable. Now, I did a little homework on these cheat meals. And I know they actually rev up your metabolism, right?
Okay.
They stimulate you. But I wanted to know what yours was.
Okay.
So years ago, I actually learned about this. If you just step back for 1 second, I brought this for you. These are deep fried
Whoa!
Oreos. We're not to come on up here or nothing. Deep
Wow!
fried Oreos.
Now,
Oh, my
how'd you find that out about me?
I know everything about your. I learned to share tips about
Yes.
nuts. I've got to learn about people.
And this is okay for the palm of my hand.
There's a palm of your hand. There's a cheat meal right there. Yes.
Right. That's my
So we're
cheat
gonna
meal.
indulge.
How did you even learn to eat
Let's
these?
toast. Let's toast.
Toast.
Toast to the cut.
What do you have to say for yourself before you bite into that?
This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be
All right, when we come back,
Actually,
Morris's
good for
own
today.
trainer shares a 10-minute workout to sculpt your best body. You're gonna want to see this. We're back with Morris Chestnut and his trainer, Obi Obadike. Obadike.
Obadike. You
Oh,
got
I
it
got
right.
it.
Thank you
Obadike.
so much, yeah.
So, Obi, I want to look like this. Is that possible? Be honest.
Obviously, genetics is going to dictate having shredded abs, but you can look lean. You can have a flat tummy. And with our diet program and this exercise program, you can get lean without a doubt.
So the ultimate test. You've been doing this, obviously.
Yes.
And it's worked for you. Congratulations.
It works. Thank you. Thank you.
So we got some women from the audience.
Okay.
Are you up for this?
I think
Obi?
so.
Let's do this.
We're ready to
Come on
go.
over.
Let's
Here
do
we
this.
So, ladies, you're in. You do this 4 days a week, I'm hearing. And Morris and Obi have created a quick 10-minute workout
Beautiful
that everyone at
workout.
home can do. And one last thing,
Absolutely.
we're going to put an infographic on DrOz.com. So you don't have to memorize what we're about to do, but this is sort of the theme of this.
Absolutely.
Take it away, Obi.
Okay, this is a workout you can do literally in your living room. We're gonna start off with high knees, okay? I don't know if you've ever done high knees before. Let's try it out. High knees is just like this, all right? And you don't have to go too crazy. Take your time, 10 seconds of this, all right? Quick 10-minute workout. Make sure you're breathing hard. You looking good, Dr. Oz. Good form. Look at that. Look at that. Look at Dr. Oz. It's a good cardio movement, boot camp movement, okay?
I like it.
Now we're gonna get down on the ground, do some mountain climbers. Very, very simple. Get down on the ground like this. Have your legs about 18 inches apart. And just go like this. All right? Mountain climbers. And take your time. This is not a race, it's a marathon, all right?
How many minutes of this
I
do
would
you
say
do?
you can do this about 10 to 15 seconds, 3 sets. All right, now we're gonna go into push-ups. Everyone's done push-ups. Not everybody can do regular push-ups, so you can do the modified version. I'm gonna do the modified version. I want everyone to do regular push-ups. You can do regular push-ups, right, Mo?
I think I can do a couple. I
couple.
know Dr. Oz can do
All
it.
right.
I know, I'm on you, Morris.
Modified version.
One leg up, one leg up.
Let's do a push-up. Let's go.
One leg up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. 2.
There we go.
3.
We go 100.
4.
Oh my goodness.
Six.
It's getting easier. It's getting easier. Just keep going. Whoa.
All right.
Oh, I can feel it getting easier and easier. How many do we do?
9 seconds,
I don't
time.
know.
About
Let's
10
keep
push-ups,
going.
that's it. 10 push-ups, that's it, okay?
What?
You do it with it. You do it.
I'm gonna stop till you stop.
I thought he said 10 push-ups. We'll keep going.
Unbelievable. Wow.
Keep going.
Very impressive. I'm gonna knock him out, okay?
Good job.
All right. That's a quick 10-minute workout you can do in your living room.
Real quickly, each of these poses in our, you guys okay back there, by the way?
You guys all good? You guys
You
all
breathing
good?
hard? You okay?
All right, everybody, for all the recipes that Morris talked about earlier, the customized workouts, be sure to check out Morris and Obi's new book, The Cut.
The cut.
The cut.
Everybody in the audience, by the way, not sure about the audience. I haven't told this thing about the audience, but everyone at home, you go to DrOz.com and sign up for my newsletter, which is darn popular anyway. You may get a chance to win a copy. And audience, sure they get one too.
Why not? Go.
You're all gonna shed pounds and get cut. You're going over the copy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.